Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Clash Royale and going straight to the social or collection area. This is where advanced search lives. Tap the search bar and switch on filters for trophies, clan level, card rarity, or role so you narrow results immediately. Have target values ready, like a 3-504-000 trophy window or a card at level 11, because precise inputs save time. Once set, run a quick broad search first to verify filters work. Then tighten one parameter at a time to avoid empty results. Once you see initial results, refine by layering filters. Combine trophies with clan size and card rarity to reduce noise. Use exact match names if you want a specific player, or type a partial name to catch variants, where supported, quotes or hyphens tighten matches. Make sure to sort by relevance or activity so the most useful entries appear first. As you test combinations, note which filter removes most false positives. That tells you which parameter is too strict and should be relaxed. To finish, inspect the top results and open profiles, battle logs, or clan pages so you can verify fit before inviting or following. If the UI allows, save the search or note exact filter values to reproduce it later. This speeds repeated scouting. If you get 0 results, relax the strictest filter first, often trophy or rarity, and try again. Also, make sure your app is up to date and your connection is stable. When problems persist, restart the game and rerun the adjusted search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.